Hi everyone, I'm really excited today because I have two of my favorite Jaguars now in my garage. On my right side, it is my 2002 Jaguar XJR, and on my left side, it is my latest dream car, the Jaguar XKR 175. Today I'm going to tell you why I love the Jaguar so much. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, Jaguars are a very special car. I know some of you don't like it, and Jaguars have had really bad reputation that they are very unreliable, but they're like the most gorgeous cars in the world. As you can see, look at this. I mean, look at the curve on the Jaguar XKR and the old styling of my Jaguar XJR. It never gets old. Every time I drive this on the road, I keep getting like admiring look on people's face, like, oh my god, that is a pretty looking car, especially if you clean it up, and when it's shiny and when it is running on the road, a lot of people will turn their head and to see, oh my god, that is such a beautiful car. And this one is also, look at that, the curve. I mean, I tried to find a bad thing about how bad it looks from the outside, but I couldn't find it. It's just whoever styled this car right here, the XKR 175, really did a good job. So I'm gonna give you a tour and comparing the old style and the new style, and I even will show you the difference quality between the Jaguar and my BMW M6. I'll be back. Look at that. I'm admiring it right now. The thing is about the Jaguar classic styling with that Jaguar leaper. I mean, it stands out so much on the road. And the modern Jaguar like this Jaguar XKR, and look at that. I mean, I just fell in love with XKR when I watched James Bond movie. Look at this. It is such a beautiful car. Look at that. I mean, if you just go around it, I mean, the curve looks sexy, Oh my god, look at that. And it has that 4 missile silos, and it is super loud for the Jaguar XKR. This one is the 2011 Jaguar XKR. I mean, it is classic. It's really hard to find now. This one is the special edition, the 175. There are only 175 of this in the world, and I really love the silver color. They're not only coming in black. I thought they are, but okay. The 175 version of this car has the large spoiler in the back, and you will be greeted by that door seal right there, 175, and mine is one of 175. And look at that, and black leather with red stitching. This reminds me of my Jaguar XJR 100 that I had a while back. That was a very special car too, and they did exactly the same thing with the XJR 100 and the XKR 100. The black leather with red stitching. It is gorgeous. Look at that. The thing about Jaguar, even the old one, look at this. The quality of the interior and the leather is superior. Look at that. It's nice. This is 2002, and look at that. It is still nice. It doesn't crack. I mean, this one cracked because this is a driver's seat. I sit on this a lot, but look at this. I mean, for 2002, look at the car. It is nice, and then look, the wood trim. This is the old styling, and it is very comfy if you sit. I mean, it feels like you're sitting in a Bentley Arnage. Seriously, if you have an Arnage, it feels like it. I mean, Bentley is a lot nicer, a lot more leather, But look at this for 2002. The back seat is comfy, and look how clean it is. I mean, I had to clean it, of course. I found this really dirty, but I had to detail it. But after detailing it, check that out. I mean, if you're an executive back in 2002, look at that. This is what you're gonna see in the back seat while your chauffeur is driving you home. So yeah, look at that, how nice it is. It is amazing. Look, I mean, this is like the pinnacle of luxury. This is just the 2002, okay? Okay, I'm gonna comparing this to my BMW M6 leather, okay? I don't like the M6. Do you know why? I mean, the leather quality of the M6 is not so good compared to the Jaguar. I'm not sure what leather BMW used to build this. I mean, it's okay, but the steering wheel, it started to fade. So what I did, I got the steering wheel cover to protect it from, you know, getting worse. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Some people call it ugly, but I thought it's okay. I mean, this is my car. Don't be hating, man. Stop it. So yeah, I mean, it's all right, but I don't know. I love my BMW. This is a sports car. Maybe that's why. I mean, I'm not gonna badmouth this. This is my dream car, and I enjoyed it. I mean, 630 horsepower. It is very sporty. I mean, it's not luxury car. This is a sports, I mean, fast car. Look at that. My Zenfox camera is telling me, hey, I'm gonna record you, buddy. So anyway, yeah, this is a nice car, but the leather, the interior, compared to the Jaguar. Okay, let's head to my Jaguar XKR. The XKR, Jaguar really took their time to build it. Look at that, the bolster of the seats. I mean the styling, luxury, and look at this. Steering wheel is still in a pristine condition. It doesn't crack. Even on my 2002, okay, the steering wheel quality, whatever Jaguar used for the leather, is a lot better than what BMW, you know, used to build my BMW M6. And if you go inside the XKR, I mean, it feels more modern. But look at this. Look, there's so many different seats arrangement for this. And yeah, I mean, you can move the seats backward, and if you're a big guy, you at least can, you know, adjust your seats. Just so many different ways. Adjust the seats so many different ways. That's kind of kinky. Anyway, forget that. But anyway, yeah, look at this console. Look at this. It is more modern than my 2002, but look, holy cow, the quality of the seat, you know, like XKR, you know, on the seats. This is not new car, but look, no crack, nothing. This is what I like about Jaguar. The quality of the leather that Jaguar uses is just incredible. I think it's a lot better than BMW. BMW is really great performance car, let me tell you that. And check this out, okay? Let's take a look at the engine. Man, this car is the 5.0 liter version, okay? It makes 510 horsepower. It is so beautiful. Look, Jaguar even put it supercharged to tell people, you know, hey, this is supercharged version. And look at that. Wow, it is such a gorgeous looking car. My God, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Supercharged 5.0. The early version of the XKR they have the 4.2 liter V8 supercharged. I mean, it is pretty fast. It's just the Jaguar just crank it up a bit, you know, to 510 horsepower. If you think a Dodge Viper is fast, this thing is very unforgiving, okay? It is super fast. It's crazy. You can go 0 to 60 around like 4 seconds. 4 seconds. And this is just the old version, right? And check it out. Let's check the old Jaguar XJR. How nice it is, the engine bay. Yeah, one thing I don't like about the newer one, Jaguar started to follow what the BMW is doing. They put the engine parts so close to each other. There is no space to work on your car, okay? This is what I don't like about the newer Jaguar. Well, the older one, I liked it. Look, you have like space to work on your car. So, you know, Jaguar, I changed that one. And it's also supercharged. This engine is like only makes 78 horsepower, but still for 2002 standard was pretty fast back then, and it's still fast according to today's standard. And look the way Jaguar you know, arranged the engine. It is a beautiful piece of art. And look at this, wow. And check that out. Oh, I still love that leaper. And it is so nice. I put 20-inch wheels to make it look more aggressive, and it looks so nice. Look at that. For 2002, this car is super sharp, super luxurious, and I'm not gonna sell this. If I have to, well, I don't know. I don't want to sell it unless I'm really tight in money, you know. And look at this one. Also 20-inch wheels. And yep, look at that. What a beautiful classic. Yeah, I love Jaguars. The Jaguar cars are standing out there, you know. And man, look at this. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. And I'm really excited that now I have two beautiful cars. Anyway, I'll be back. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed that short video why I love the Jaguar so much. Look at that. I mean, for 2002, check that out. It is a beautiful car. I mean, I love to sit in my garage, just look at it, you know. When I'm having a stressful day, I will just drive around in it. The seats is so comfortable. That's the thing about Jaguars. Even the new XKR 175, they are beautiful cars, and it's really nice to sit in the seats, you know, especially when you have a stressful day, you just want to cruise around. And the XJR, I mean, they are really nice GT car. I mean, it's comfy, you know, the leather seats are wonderful. So anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.